So wait, let me get this right. So y'all want a nigga to pop out and support y'all music, but when a motherfucker pop out and support other artists' music, y'all say that's dick riding. But then if a motherfucker don't pop out and support a motherfucking music, y'all say that's hating. But then when I post my music, the nigga ain't reposted my shit. So what the fuck is that? If I pop out and just take it upon myself and just say, fuck it, you know what? Let me be the bigger person. I'm a repost some shit. Or I'm gonna post some shit this artist is doing. You feel me? And then they gonna say, oh, you trying to ride they wave. Make y'all fucking mind up, man. For real.